I'm going to show you how to do reverse percentages using the calculator. Right, first example, Hamza's salary is now £500 per month after a 20% increase. So obviously he's had a pay rise, a 20% pay rise. What was Hamza's salary before? So obviously he had a lot less before, he was earning less before, now he's earning more money. I need to know what he was earning before. So what he was earning before, question mark. So that was before. That's what we're trying to find out. And it goes up by 20%. And if you remember a previous video, if something goes up by 20%, you multiply by 1.20 or 1, that represents 20%. Or you could just write 1.2, it's good enough. So something before multiplied by 1.20 is now £500. Okay, so that's now. We're trying to work out what it was before. So now something times 1.20 to give me 500, you do inverse operation. The inverse operation of timesing is dividing. So you've got to do 500 divided by 1.2. So we're doing inverse operation. Now on the calculator display you can see here, this is what I get. But this being British money, we're dealing in pounds. So you're going to round to 2 decimal places. It'll be £416 and then 67p. We've rounded to 2 decimal places. Right, just round to 2 decimal places. You look at the third digit. If it's 5 or more, which it is, that 66 becomes 67. There you go. There is a sale in the local shop. 15% off on TVs. So they're knocking off 15%. The TV now costs £255. What was the cost before? So what was it before? It's gone down, remember? It's 15% off means it's a decrease of 15%. So if you remember in a previous video, the multiplier is going to be 0 point something. It's not going to be 0.15, it's actually going to be 0.85, right? Because the 85 and the 15 add up to 100. So when you want to decrease something, 15% off means decrease. When you want to decrease something, it has to be 0 point something. Whereas here, if you remember, we were increasing Hamza's salary before to what it is now. To increase something by 20%, it was 1.20 or 1.2. But to decrease, it needs to be 0 point something. Right, and that 15 and the 85 adds up to 100, so it's going to be 0.85. So a 15% decrease is the same as multiplying by 0.85. That is now worth £255. So we want to find out what it was before. So in the same way what we did here, inverse operation, we're going to do the same here. 255 divided by, remember opposite of times is divide by 0.85. £300. So remember, that was before, that was now. So once I've done the inverse operation, I've got my answer. I've got my before price, it's 300.